So this time of the year, I get into barbecuing because my department just had a big barbecue contest, so I get to think about barbecue. And so I saw this little smoke tube from Panda Lives. It's a Chinese perforated metal tube. You could probably make these, but for what it costs to get the metal, you could buy one. It's like $13.99. And I bought some Traeger wood pellets right there, the hickory. And you just fill it up, and it allows you to cold smoke. So I've got my little smoker here. Got a whole bunch of good stuff to smoke. We've got some cheese. I've got some pork rinds. I have some chocolate peanut butter cups. It's pretty easy. You just fill it up, and then you light this. So let me do that. All right, I cheated, and I used my little propane torch and got it cooked up. Now for $13.99, you get the 12-inch perforated tube. You get some metal hooks. You get like a brush to brush it out and a digital thermometer, so that's not a bad deal. So I'm gonna let that burn for a second, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the hooks. We're gonna hang it on its side. Then I'm gonna put the food on the grill grate on top. We're gonna close it up for about an hour and let this stuff smoke. And this is a cold smoke, so it's not cooking it, right? It's just giving it in flavor, maybe a little bit of seasoning. So this is good for cheeses. Now, I would use a smaller grate here, but I don't have one. So I'm going to try parchment paper because I'm going to close it up so I don't think it's going to hurt it much. Well, ate all cheesecake. The chocolate had melted and the cheesecake flipped into it, so it's chocolate covered. And that's the bomb. And the baby bells, the rind, I don't like the rind, but the inner part, ooh, that's wonderful. And I smoked it a little too long for the cheese, but I'm going to leave it out and it'll mellow a little bit. But yeah. What else? Oh, pork rinds. They're good. Not really better than they were. And the chips, the cheese crackers, they're good too. Can't really say that they're better. I like the cheesecake like this. The wife doesn't. She likes the inside of the baby bells the best, and I like it pretty good too. But yeah, pretty cool. I'm going to play with this more.